In this video, I'll show you how to turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 10 or 11. To turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 10 or 11, what you can do first is to go ahead and head over into your settings, click on the Windows logo in the bottom left corner, and select the settings icon. Navigate to Windows Security. So to do that, click on Update and Security, and then under this, click on Windows Security. So you'll find that at the left-hand side menu of your page. Now under Windows Security, click on Virus and Protection under the Protection Areas section. In the new window, click on Manage Settings under the Virus and Threat Protection Settings section and disable Real-Time Protector. Toggle the switch for real-time protection to off, and this will temporarily disable Windows Defender. Keep in mind that Windows Defender may automatically turn itself back on after some time for security reasons. If you want to disable it permanently, you might need to use the Group Policy Editor and install third-party antivirus software. And that is how you can turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 10 or 11. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.